Here's a video on changing a distributor cap and rotor on an ebb tide Campion 220 that has a Yamaha 7.4 l. The distributor cap part number is that DR468, and then the rotor DR326. So to change it, you're going to need a 7/32 socket, and you have to loosen the 2 bolts screws on either side. It's counterclockwise, and there's one on the other side. You can see it down there. When you got those loose, you can take the center wire off. And then the cap can come right out. And I have just actually changed this, but as you can see, that center pin that the rotor spins on is broken. So I had to go buy a new one. But I never made a video of this the first time, so to change this, all you gotta do is just pull it up. And there's only one way that it can go on. So I cleaned up the surface rust off of it, so it slides on easy. And it's in there. So that part number is DR326. And now for the cap, there's a new one, and you can see the difference. That center pin's not worn off. So now, to make life easy, just throw this on, and then you can tighten down the screws. So now with the new distributor cap on, and the old one still with all the wires on, you can just start going back and forth and putting them off to the new one, and just go around, and then you're good to go, and then you don't lose your timing or your organization on your wires. There you go. That's how easy it is to change the cap and rotor. Now all you have to do is just organize your wires all nice and pretty like how they were before, and you're good to go. Hope this helps.